Hi, this is V with Timeless Elegance Design. I hope I'm finding everyone well today and everyone are staying safe. And I do apologize for all of the noise in the background. But the reason for that is because we are doing a tablescape outdoors. And the tablescape is called Outdoor Spring Tablescape 2020. It is hosted by Diva Dynasty. The host is Lynn's Lifestyle Living. Co-host is Mysterious Alberta. Me, myself, and DIYing it. Cynthia, She's So Blessed, and Diva Decorating. Today our challenge is to decorate our table outside and have fun. So today my table is I kind of got my idea for my table from this plate that I found at the thrift store, and it has the watering can with the little red pottery and the succulents in it. So that's kind of where I got my idea from for my tablescape. So let's get started on what my place setting is. I used a pizza tin pan from the Dollar Tree, as well as this wreath that I wrapped with the twine. And I got this plate from Dollar Tree as well. And now my plate that I got from the thrift store. My napkins, I've had them forever. I just wrapped it with some twine on it, and this succulent, I clipped it onto the twine that I got from the Dollar Tree. My flatware, I just used a fork and a knife. I got that from the thrift store. My water glass is a Dollar Tree find as well. Had them forever. My table is set for 4. And all 4 of my place settings are the same. My centerpiece, I found this watering can at Michael's, and all the picks, I got those from the Dollar Tree. My tin tray, I think I got it from Michael's as well, but I've had it for a while. And the two succulents, I got those from Michael's, and this one, I got it from the Dollar Tree. It's kind of windy out here, but it feels so good. And I do apologize again for all the noise. My pillows are just my extra table napkins that I put some of my outdoor pillows in, and just to use for this tablescape. So they were a DIY as well. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And I hope to see you again. If you are one of my faithful friends, thank you so much for coming back. And I hope to see you again soon as well. If you have gotten some inspiration from this tablescape, please don't hesitate to subscribe, like, comment, share, and click the notification bell so that you'll know when I upload another video. And please, once you finish viewing my video, please go over to these beautiful ladies' channel and show them some love, as well as the rest of the participants. And do come back soon and see me. And stay safe, take care, and I will see you again. Thank you. Bye-bye.